These are real reviews from real customers. It works. My shoulders have been killing me. I ordered this product and it's amazing. Fantastic. I just wanted to tell you that I love this product. I was in a car accident earlier this year and I have been having stubborn back pains. This certainly does the job. I get so much relief. I have even let my mom try this product because she's been having some arthritis pains in her hands. She loves it. I will be sure to order online soon. You all are amazing, and so are your products. Please keep up the outstanding work in changing others' lives for the better. Feel it working right away. This company makes the best pain relief products. I've tried multiple of their products with great success each time. Highly recommend. If you're tired of dealing with pain, try Nature's Light.